The real estate market is absolutely flooded with inventory right now, and the Bank of Canada recently announced that it will hit pause and hold interest rates for a second consecutive time. Will inventory continue to soar past record levels, or will buyers finally come to terms with the tariffs and start taking advantage of all the opportunity out there? Let's find out. Hey everyone, I'm Ollie and welcome to my channel, the only real estate channel that gives you a non-biased professional opinion of what's actually happening in your real estate market. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, drop a comment below, because I want to hear your thoughts on where the market's heading with all this inventory. Let's get right to it and address the elephant in the room. There's currently over 17,000 homes for sale in the greater Vancouver, which is a record high for the last 10 years. With so much inventory available and buyers sitting on the sidelines, many would think the old supply and demand theory would kick in and push housing prices downward. But maybe we should look at this another way. Most of the homes on the market right now are overpriced, and sellers looking to transition homes are gridlocked because buyers aren't coming to the table right now. Historically, housing prices tend to trend upwards in the springtime, but that hasn't been the case this season. On the flip side, housing prices might be decreasing slightly, but not enough that's actually measurable. Interest rates will always play a big part in real estate prices, and the Bank of Canada announced for a second straight time that it won't be decreasing its interest rates. A couple of things might happen here. Buyers might continue to sit and watch from the sidelines, or it could be a signal that we finally hit the bottom of the market and buyers might start coming back to the table again, similar to what happened last announcement. What about the tariffs, Ollie? What about them? Sure, what's happening between Canada, the US, and the rest of the world is affecting a lot of people, but not to the scale of what experts originally predicted. And as time goes on, with each announcement, people are getting more comfortable, and we all know that eventually these tariff wars are going to end, or Canada will learn how to adapt to them. What sellers need to realize is that when you're transitioning in this market, it's all relative. Take the expert advice of your realtor and be happy that your home has gone up 50% in the last 5 years, and get yourself into the next property. The COVID era of pricing is over. This is a normal market. It's no surprise right now that buyers clearly have the upper hand. But don't get too comfortable. From a seasonal perspective, we might have had an unusually slow spring. However, if buyers do decide to come back, then we might have an abnormally busier summer. But no matter how you look at it, the market will continue to tilt and favor buyers. For now anyways. Okay, it's pretty safe to say that the market isn't heading into a frenzy anytime soon. Record-setting inventory and inactive buyers could put downwards pressure on housing prices. However, steady or dropping interest rates could bring them back to the table again. One thing for certain though is that eventually this buyer's market will end. The only question is when. Be sure to drop a comment, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.